Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some broccoli salad. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to click on that subscription button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Alright guys, the fourth step, I have one bunch of broccoli, so I'll go ahead and chop this up, and my knife I just used it to chop up some bacons, so you want to check that out as well. So here we are. I'm done cutting up all my broccoli to the little piece that I want it to be. You can cut your broccoli based on your preferred size, okay? So in a little basket, this is my steamer. I use this basket to steam up stuff. So I'll go ahead and bleach the broccoli, and this is optional. You don't have to, but I like my broccoli bleached a little bit. So I just dip that into a boiling hot water just for 2 seconds. I'll bring it out and flip it over and dip it again for 1 second, and that's it. Yep, we're just bleaching it, we're not cooking it. So this is all I have to do for this. Like I said guys, you can skip this step. You don't have to bleach your broccoli if you don't want to. This is optional. So I pour that in a large bowl and spread that up, and I put this in my fridge and let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes while I prep my my cream. Yep. So I added 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon of Heinz salad cream. So that's about 1 tablespoon. So you can see 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of salad cream, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon of sour cream as well. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt, of course. So just to dilute the sweetness, I'll go ahead and add in some lemon juice. So the lemon juice should be about half a teaspoon or even less than that. So I'll go ahead and whisk everything until they are well combined, and I'll set that aside. So I grabbed my broccoli. It's completely cold right now. It's no longer hot, and it's still very crunchy guys. Yes, it's still very crunchy. So I'll go ahead and add some purple onions that I chopped up pretty well, finely chopped. Then I'm adding some black olive. You'll be going like, ew. Yeah, sometimes when you're adding something that I don't like in a food, I'll be like, ew, what's that? So you can skip that if you want. So next I'm gonna be adding my homemade bacon crumbs. So this is turkey bacon crumbs that I made at home, and I also have the recipe here on my channel. If you want, you can check that out. So I'll go ahead and toss everything together. Yeah, so the bacon recipe should be right after, before this recipe right now. So you should go ahead and check that on my channel. You'll see that. So I added all the cream. So I want to make sure I get every single bit of the cream out of the plate. So once I have all of that, I'll go ahead and mix them up properly until everything is well combined. So of course I just feel like eating it right away. I'll go ahead and take a bite. Still very crunchy guys. Yep, the crunchiness is still right there. So I'll go ahead and add some cheddar cheese. Like this is the mild cheddar cheese. You can use the sharp ones or whatever kind of cheese you prefer. You can definitely use it for this salad. So I toss everything up properly until they are well combined as well. So the last but not the least, I'll be adding some raisin. So you can add any dry vegetable of your choice. Yep, you can add any vegetable of your choice. You can add blueberries. Yeah, just name it, whatever vegetable you want. So I thought that the salad was not creamy enough, so I added half a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and also half a tablespoon of the Heinz salad cream, and half a tablespoon of the sour cream, because I want this to be very creamy. You don't want your broccoli salad to be dry. You want it to be very creamy. So after stirring everything, I tossed it into my fridge and I let it sit there for about an hour, and I brought it out. So while it was sitting in my freezer for an hour or so, I had to make some onion rings. Yeah, so while my broccoli salad was in the refrigerator, I had some time to put some onion rings together, and this tastes so amazing. I hope you heard how crunchy that onion ring was. It was so crunchy. You want to check that recipe out as well. Right on my channel here, you will see the onion rings recipe that you can ever taste. So I'll go ahead and dish this out in a plate. So look at that, looking so creamy, not dried at all. That is the goal. You don't want your broccoli salad to be dry, so it needs to be very juicy. So look at that, looking so tantalizing. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and dish out some for myself. And on the side, I have some onion rings that will go with it. Alright guys, today's video is not gonna be so long, so this is just about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you all for your support. If this is your first time on this channel, please do not forget to click on that subscription button and turn the notification bell on as well, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video while I go ahead and enjoy my food. I don't even know if it's lunch or dinner or whatever. So guys, that's it. It tastes so amazing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and the crunchiness from this onion rings is amazing. You don't want to miss that. So go ahead and check out that recipe of the onion rings, guys. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay safe and stay blessed. I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye. To the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain. It's never